Did you turn away from God? Then these are the words you should say.
Please forgive me, Lord, I pray.
You didn't mean to go astray.
I didn't mean to go astray.
Tell God you're headed hard.
Headed hard since I've been gone.
Now you are ready
Now I'm ready
to come home.
to come back home.
Tell him you didn't know.
I didn't know these things would be.
Tell him you was blind
I was blind
and could not see.
and could not see.
Tell him to cleanse you from sin
Lord, hear my earnest plea.
and forgive me.
Please forgive me.
Now read Psalms 51.